This guide will walk you through the complete process of setting up the Adivaha white label travel portal, from installation to customization, helping you configure your travel platform step by step. You will receive a unique registration link from Adivaha after subscribing. Use this link to verify your details, set up and activate your account, and access the dashboard. Enter your WhatsApp number to which you would like to receive OTP. Click Send Verification Code to receive your OTP. Type or paste the OTP that you must have received at your WhatsApp number. Click Verify OTP to confirm the code you received. Enter the domain you wish to keep. You can later mask it with your own domain. Avoid using special characters. Click Go Next to proceed to the next step. Next, fill in all required details, including your personal information. Note: the email cannot be changed once the account is created. From here, you can change the colors of your site according to your branding and personal preference, creating a cohesive look and feel that perfectly represents your brand identity. Click Next to continue to the following setup page. After setup, you'll see a Setup Complete message and receive 2 confirmation emails from Adivaha. After setup, open your email and check your inbox for 2 emails from Adivaha with your login details and verification steps. Note: please don't forget to check the spam folder in case if landed there. You will receive a first email from Adivaha with a link to your website domain. Click the Visit Website button to open your website in your browser. After clicking Visit Website, you can visit your newly set up travel portal and access the booking application, experiencing the platform just like your customers. Whenever your customer enters their destination and clicks on the Search button, the system automatically scans through multiple airlines to find and display all available flight options that best match their preferences. They will see a message on their screen. Please wait a few minutes while the site searches for flights. This process may take some time, as the system compares multiple airlines to find the best available options for you. Customers can choose their preferred flight from the options, and click Book Now to start the booking process. They can enter their personal details exactly as they appear on their passport. They should fill in their contact information accurately as required. This ensures that booking confirmations, flight updates, and any important notifications are sent to the correct email or phone number. After entering all details, customers should click Confirm Booking to process the booking. Note: the payment gateway isn't integrated yet. You can set it up later from your back office. They will see this message on their screen. Please wait a few minutes while your booking is being confirmed. This indicates that the system is processing their reservation and finalizing the confirmation. When your customer completes their booking, they will receive an interface like this, showing a confirmation message along with the booking details and link to download the vouchers or e-tickets. Now let's move to the back office. Browse Adivaha and click My Dashboard to access and manage your back office. After clicking My Dashboard, a new page, dashboard.adivaha.com, will open. Use the login details sent to your email to log in and manage your account. Check your inbox for the second email from Adivaha. It contains your partner ID or PID, login ID, and password, required to securely access your dashboard. Enter your PID, login ID, and password from the confirmation email to log into the Adivaha dashboard and start managing your services. Click on the Sign In button to log into your account. Make sure your email is verified. If prompted to verify your email, check the additional email from Adivaha. It includes instructions and a verification link to activate your dashboard access. In your mail, you will see an interface like this. This email is specifically about your dashboard account verification. Click the Verify My Account link in your email to confirm registration. After verification, you can log into the Adivaha dashboard and access all tools and features. After verification, log into your Adivaha dashboard to manage bookings, customize your website, view account details, and use tools to grow your travel business. You can customize your back office, colors, design, and layout to match your brand and create a personalized experience for your users. Click the specified area to configure your back office. Here you can manage user controls, branding, payment options, and other key settings of your travel portal. Click Next to proceed to the following setup step. Here you can select colors and adjust the booking engine's color combinations to match your site's style. Click Next to move forward in the setup sequence. You can set your markup on the bookings and earn a commission from each transaction. This allows you to generate revenue by adding a profit margin to the services provided to your customers. Click Next to proceed to the next configuration screen. You can fill in your required information along with your logo to complete your profile setup. Providing accurate details ensures that your account is properly configured and ready to use. Click Next to go to the subsequent setup page. You can choose from more than 60+ payment gateway options to offer your customers smooth and secure transactions. Click Push Live to activate the live configuration. After customizing your site, you will receive this "Thank you" message as a confirmation that your changes have been successfully saved. When you're ready to go live, contact your account manager. Once requested, we'll make your site live within 48 hours. Premium customers also get access to a library of professional white label templates. Link in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.